We are located here at lovely Cal State Dominguez Hills, and we are having our second annual Girls in STEAM Day. We're out here promoting STEAM, diversity, like different careers, and basically what is STEAM and why is it important. So we're focusing with 8th grade girls just because they might want to start thinking about different careers in STEM, focusing on taking their classes, making sure that they want to pursue math, science, tech, art, math, anything of that sort.
So yeah, we're going to be here talking about STEM, more specifically about women in STEM.
They're being broken up into 2 groups and they are listening from speakers. So they're listening from women of color in the field of STEAM. So they're hearing about their careers, their trajectories, their journey, kind of what they did, and then they're being broken up into other groups where they are doing activities related to STEAM. What we hope for students to take out of this is that we want women to feel empowered. We want the girls to feel confident in going into these male-dominated fields, inspired and motivated. Once they do go out to high school, they can then graduate and they can pursue a career in STEAM.
Whatever your dreams are, whatever your passions are, it's never a crazy idea. If it's in your heart to do it, if it's in your mind to really pursue it, you can do it.
Our mission is helping to expose you to the right class, to the right internships.
I think it's really nice that students not only do this conference, but that they're able to do this conference at a university campus. I know some of the speakers, they came from different areas, but I know some of the speakers were faculty here, and I heard one of them come in and talk about, she works with the Department of Biology, and she was really empowering these students.
The session I enjoyed the most was the one with a woman from STEAM that worked in science and technology. She worked in SpaceX, which is NASA, a program. And it really inspired me because she was a Black woman like myself that really enjoyed art and technology, but really went into it and took initiative.
This event is very important for young girls because there's a lot of men in this type of field, and I feel like us women should rise up.
What I enjoyed the most about this field trip is really getting to learn about women in STEAM and women empowerment, and knowing that women can do everything men can do. And it really inspired me to want to be in STEAM myself.
Thank you, Compton Unified School District, for allowing us to bring our lovely 8th grade girls here to this space at Cal State Dominguez Hills, just because, again, it's so important to start thinking about careers in STEAM.
So I want to say thank you to Dominguez Hills, but also our speakers who took the time out of their day to come talk to our girls and inspire them and motivate them in hopes that they'll be going into these same careers in the future.
Name of the future.